Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule send text messages in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open your messages app. Now here open a conversation and then click on this add icon. And here you will see a schedule send option, so click on this option and then from here you can select the predefined time, later today 5 p.m, later tonight 9 p.m, or tomorrow 8 a.m. But if you want to set a date and time by yourself, then click on select date and time. Now from here set the date first and then click on next. Now from here choose the hour and then choose minutes. Now from here you can choose AM or PM and then click on set. Now after that enter your message and after entering the message click on this send icon. So now you can see this text is scheduled to send on 12 a.m. So that's how you can schedule send text messages in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.